Sometimes people don't even know that they love art and they understand art, or and they are inclined towards art until they're exposed to something, right? So I have a feeling that I want my art to reach to people, you know. The form should not be a medium to limit it. कि अगर आप एक art piece नहीं खरीद सकते, then you cannot have, or you cannot have my art at all. And it's not the commercialization of the art pieces also, because when we had talked and discussed, we want to do something that is very chic and classy, and you know, it is something that is very, how would I say, it reaches to people. So I think मेरे हिसाब से मेरे को नहीं लगता है कि आर्ट को हम लोग लिमिट करना चाहिए कि it has to be only in terms of this or that. You know, people embracing what you have created, and they wear it, and then they feel it because they will be buying an art that you have created already. So I think that was one thing that came into my mind, that if I collaborate, you know, with a brand, and that's a fresh brand, that is something that they are exploring, and they are not that stereotypes, typical thought process इसका होता है कि हम लोग बस वैसा ही करेंगे, वो भी करेंगे, but we are okay and open for a new market of people. I think this is a way of creating a market of people where art is not aligned or limited with one set of direction. So we see so many collaboration of the clothing line with different artists and creating something new in terms of men's and women the styling that has happened. I think now I'm seeing that, you know, and the brands that is new, the artists that are new, they are all collaborating together and creating something that is not very conventional mode of visualization. कि वही चीज़ बन रहा है, वो 70s के ही बन रहे हैं, उसमें भी print वही 60s का ही आ रहा है, but then there is always a repetition of what has happened. But now, since the new market and new team and new people are experimenting and exploring, you will be creating something new. And I think because the way that collaboration is increasing, and we see that Zara itself had collaborated with a lot of artists, right, recently. I don't remember the name of the artist right now. But I think that is the new, because I think the new generation needs to see something new and unique, and something that has not been created, right? Not just the print on a t-shirt, but you know, the way we created the shirts, where you are printing the entire image on a shirt. Something that people have seen, a very regular set of stuff that people have seen. It's an experimentation and exploration in those regards.